let me tell you one thing. That is, we are here with a new offer, with a new scheme for you all. That is our membership for the channel. So if you're interested to get all the base images and the PSD files, make sure you check the description box. And to know the password to download all the PSD files, keep watching the video. The password will pop up, don't skip. So first go to Files, then to New, and then select the pixels. The width will be 2400 and the height will be 1700. This is the special type for the certificate. Resolution will be 300 and the other one will be pixel or inch. As you can see, we have already selected the design or the pattern we want to use here. So we will go and drag it on top of the clean page we have. Then we will adjust the size. And then we'll click on Write to save the image. Then we will take a rectangle tool and create a big rectangle on the page. And then choose the solid color so that you can identify the rectangle. Now you can adjust the point in the rectangle. Just like that. I will drag the lower part a little, then take the paint tool, and here we will make the pattern. I am going for a triangular pattern, so I will make a triangular shape, 3 points, the very corner of the page, that is. And remember, we have to stop where you have started, to make sure you click that button. Then we'll change the solid color just so we can identify it better while we all work on it. Then we'll take the anchor point tool and create a curve. Adjust the curve according to your liking. Yeah. Then copy the shape you've just created. Then color it in a different color. Then again copy it and bring it down and change the color. See, this is why you won't have to make the shape again and again. It's easy to copy and paste in this manner. Tilt the shape a little bit. Again, change the color. This is to create a dynamic pattern. This is the design I had decided for this certificate. You can go for any pattern you want. You can have a sample and go for it. We will end with the similar color on the yellow ochre. Then press the right. This will update the picture. You know, if we don't save the image, it won't be updated and we won't be able to work on it. Then select the first shape and create overlay out. Gradient overlay. Then you have to select the metallic one. Then again for the shape 2, shape 1 copy, the first copy. Then you have to go to basics and adjust this a little bit. We'll go to the whitish part and then okay. This is basically a grayish part actually, and we'll move the dial a little bit to see which one looks good. There you go. Then we will go to copy layout, then pause. Okay, for each step, see the gray ones will have this like tone, and the black ones will be a little fadeish one, so that it creates the depth, so it really looks dynamic and realistic. Copy layout style, and then paste. Just copy and paste, because we have a lot more work to do, so we can't waste our time, and it's just waste of effort if we do. Then for the last shape also, you'll go to gradient overlay, and then we'll select that, scroll down and select the pattern, metallic pattern. Then we will group this, all of this whole patternish thing, and then we will transform it to another part of it. See, there you go. It creates a mirror image actually. Now the group 1 was all the shapes, and group 2 was that we all have created, and the group 2 is like group 1 copy is the ones we have just created with the mirror effect one. And then we'll adjust the size a little bit. Then we'll go to the effects once again, and then shades, gradient, and the metallic one. I'll select, and the size will go up to 8, and then OK. So you've copied the rectangle and then did that. Then we'll again update the page. To update it, we have to save it. Now we'll write something on it, so we'll take the text. I've already copied a text. We'll paste it. We'll write certificate. We'll change the colors. Here the adjustments will be totally subjective, as however you want it. You can just adjust it according to your recording requirements. Then type a circular shape. And circular, it's actually a rectangular shape. Then do the center alignment. And then gradient overlay, go to gradient overlay, and then select the metallic one, and then the style. The angle is very important, so you have to adjust it every time. Certificate of achievements we will write. did it. Change the font style. I'll take another text. Here, write the name of your institute. Then we'll start with the name, surname, like the details of the participant or the achiever. Then we'll adjust the styles a little from the right top corner. We'll create a rectangle and color it. And gradient style, we'll change the angle. Then we'll do another text. Then the achievement, what they have participated in and what did they achieve. I'm here just copying a random paragraph. It will save us some time. There you will have to write it on your own or the sample you have been provided with. Adjust the lines a bit. Then it's time for the signatures. Write the designation of the person who will sign there. Then we'll bring the writings a little down. Yes. It should be symmetrical and in the similar line, in the similar plane, okay? Bring down another line, copy and paste it. Adjust the line a bit. Change the color. Bring it at the top. So place it in the middle just so it creates a division between the two designation, just to make sure that they don't sign in other places or it doesn't cross the line. We'll change the layout again, then change the angle, make the proper adjustments. Now we have already taken a picture there. I'll bring it to the main page. Adjust the size a little. Update the picture by clicking the right button. So adjust the text a little bit because this batch was affecting, and center alignment. Now that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it and consider our membership a little bit more. Thank you.